Prayer by Ellen G. White. Chapter 8. Prevailing Prayer. Earnest prayer avails much. That prayer which comes forth from an earnest, believing heart is the effectual, fervent prayer that availeth much. God does not always answer our prayers as we expect, for we may not ask what would be for our highest good. But in His infinite love and wisdom, He will give us those things which we most need. Testimonies for the Church, Volume 4, page 531.